Welcome to your active system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Back System for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the power cord included with your system. Plug it into the USB-C port on the bottom of the OrthoSource controller. You'll see a red light turn on. This means the system is charging. After about 90 minutes, the red light will turn off, letting you know it's fully charged. Step 1. Prepare the OrthoPods. Open a new package of OrthoPods 5 to 10 minutes before your session so they have time to warm up. Make sure the logoed side is facing down or they won't warm properly. Step 2. Start your therapy. Gently insert the OrthoPods into the ortho docks on your device. You'll feel the magnets pull them into place. Once your therapy session starts, a blue light will appear on the OrthoSource. Each session runs for 2 hours. You're now ready to begin your therapy session. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Active Back System for therapy. Start by wrapping the device on your low back. Center the OrthoPods evenly on the inside so they rest evenly on either side of your spine, directly over the area you're treating. Once everything is in place, bring the ends around and fasten the device securely in front using the hook and loop closure. Make sure the fit feels secure but not too tight. You want it to stay in place without limiting your movement or breathing. When your therapy session is complete, the blue light on the controller will flash for about 2 minutes before turning off completely. Gently remove the device from your body. Remove the used OrthoPods from your device. The magnets will release easily. Discard them in the trash after use.